Good morning, Subaru Tech. Walt Cheney here. We have a 22 Wilderness. This is our own vehicle. We've been doing some off-roading over the weekend, and we noticed we started to get a little bit of a rattle. Turned into a clunk on the right front of this car, and we have the Ironman4x4america lift put in this. We've had zero issues with it. So decided to put it up on the lift today and do a little checking over, and I want to show you guys what we found. This is the upper strut area here. You can see there's your engine. There's the other one on that side. So I did check the 3 mounting bolts, which is super common if you ever have something loosen up on a strut. I mean, stuff loosens up. Don't really need to put Loctite on those. You can if you want to, use a mild Loctite. But one thing that shouldn't loosen up is this center bolt right here. And I want to show you guys just how loose this is. Let me switch this ratchet over. I'm actually turning that nut right now. That's how loose that center nut was on this strut. And that will definitely be our clunk. Now, it's not typical for those to loosen up. Didn't do any damage, but if any of you guys installed the suspension, check those nuts on those main strut shafts. I did come over here and check this side out, and this side was nice and tight. So there you go. Easy fix. With the weight of the vehicle on, that center nut can be removed and Loctite applied and put back on there. Do not try to remove that center nut if the strut is not in a vehicle or not in a strut compressor. It's under extreme pressure and is very dangerous. The spring will come off the unit and it can hurt you bad. So with the weight of the car being on there, that center nut can be loosened as long as the vehicle's on the ground and resting on the tires. And then Loctite applied and then the nut retightened. And that's what we did here. There's no reason to put it in a strut machine if you can do it this way, which is pretty quick, took like 5 minutes. We did both sides to be safe. I'm gonna check the rear, see how the rear look, and go from there. Thanks.